Okay, so I've got one of the old Fogies Fuggler here. There are, I believe, 5 in total, 5 or 6 of them in total that you can collect. So this is Gabby Gibbler. She is the one with the pink bonnet. Let's take a look at her here. So she is this very nice long-haired little plush here. It's got the pink bonnet on there with a bunch of teeth on it. Very interesting design. You can remove the bonnet there. So yeah, she's got the slit eyes. It's got the human teeth in there underneath all that hair. Let's put the hat down for a second. There you go. Back, you got the buttonhole in the back, arms and legs, a little bit soft, pretty cute little plush there. And yeah, definitely makes her look more like a older Fogie there with the bonnet on there. So yeah, really cute little plush. If you want to collect the old Fogies, make sure you pick this one up.